We're over here in checkers, bruh. You know what I mean? Money to blow. Try to make it obvious.
Alex, you can't big him.
You make it obvious. Yo, he sees that, you dumbass. Put it a little lower. Vibe, nigga. Just vibe. Yeah, like that's good. Well, make sure you can see. Can you see? They're laughing, huh?
Yeah, dude, was cracking over the table. Yeah, nigga passed by looking like, what the fuck is that shit?
But we got us.
Don't laugh.
Alright, shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up.
Are you a boss? And the second order, we get the other money. You gonna do this?
Yeah, because I don't have the change. Shut up.
Five. You're not videotaping right. Dumbass bitch. This nigga hella retarded. Can't do it, fool. Oh, why'd I give you the money? Hey, why'd I give you the money? Why'd I give you the money for here?
Oh, God, what you doing? Chill. Get my car.
Hey, I niggas be asshole. I couldn't do it, fool.
That shit's on your dick.
The car? I couldn't do it, fool.
Fuck you.
What did you do?